Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. Figured we'll do some winter fishing out here at Elm Creek. Today's temperature is not too bad. It's supposed to be in the 40s. So the nice thing about it, it's supposed to be saugeye season. Hopefully we can catch something today. Talk to you later. One thing I do admit, no matter where I went to go fishing, the water is pretty low. I mean, look at it. You can see the line. That's where the water was. It receded probably about a good 6 feet. Well, I don't have much minnows left. In fact, I have only about 5 minnows. But give it a shot using minnows. And if anything else, I'll give it a shot using lures. Okay, let's give it a shot with this minnow here. There we go. Hopefully. Spoke to some other guys. They didn't do anything, so hopefully we can do better. Yeah, that's the funny thing about it. Last year, all winter long, you see a bunch of people fishing out here. Today, it looks like we're the only ones out here. And today is supposed to be a nice day, too. Maybe they know something that... Ooh, yes! Ow! That was a big one. Damn it! Bait. Took the bait and snapped off my line. Wow, that was big too. I don't know what that was. Whatever it was big. It might be a saugeye, the way it attacked the bait.
Don't muskies do that too?
Yeah, muskies.
Like you said, they got teeth.
Oh yeah.
Like I told you,
Yeah. Wow. Well, try it again here. Wow, that was big. Damn it. Yep, one thing for sure. Maybe for the muskies and the saugeyes, I probably need to go with a steel leader, because that is like the 3rd time it happened. Couple times happened to me last year. Whatever it was, it definitely attacked the bait. Okay. Ooh, there's a nice big fat one. There we go. I will be so happy if I can actually catch me a muskie. Right? Okay, let's just try it out with something else here. Setup that I'll be using, simple drop shot. I have me a 1/4 ounce bank sinker tied to a number 6 octopus hook. One thing I noticed, especially this time of the year, the smaller the profile, the better. Let's try it out with a 2-inch Powerbait minnow. Try using the white one here, and we'll just give it a shot. Drop shotting. There we are. Let's try it out. Wow, folks. Been out here for an hour, not even a bite. Nothing on the minnow, nothing on the Powerbait. Well, let's try something else. See if we have better luck using maybe like a lipless crankbait or something. Yeah, and I haven't had much luck in catching anything with it. But we'll see. Give it a shot. Okay, let's try it out with the lipless here. They say the lipless crankbait is actually what's one of the more popular lures to use when trying to catch a sawguy or muskie. Oh wow, look at this. Caught a bunch of clams this time. And some rocks. Oh, snag. And that's the other problem with using lures. Snag. Yep, I lost it. I lost a lot of money using lures. Let's just go back with the minnows and see if we can move down a little ways, and hopefully we can catch us something. Maybe about 4 left. Hopefully we can do something with it. So we'll just give it a shot for a little bit more. And so far, not having any kind of luck at all with lures. There we go, caught something. First catch of the day, only catch of the day, after 2 hours of being out here, folks. There we go, little tiny itty bitty perch. Ice cold too. Oh, well, at least we caught ourselves something. About a 6 or 7 inch little tiny perch. There we are. Well, at least we caught ourselves something, and I think I might have one minnow left. I thought I saw something move in the bucket here. Yep, there's one. Last minnow. See if we can catch something decent this time. We'll give it a shot. Final minnow of the day here. There we go. An even smaller perch. Look at that. And we still have our minnow. There you are. Second perch, only about a 5-inch perch. Caught on our last minnow. And we still have the minnow too. So it's not alive anymore, but hey, let's try it out, see if we can catch one more. Hopefully something decent. There we go. Still have our minnow. And we caught ourselves another bait fish. This one is probably the smallest one that we caught so far. About 4-inch, about maybe 5-inch little tiny perch. Oops. Well, we did catch ourselves 3 perch on minnows. See, as you can see, folks, just because it's cold outside doesn't mean the fish won't bite. Don't let the cold stop you. That's about it. I don't have any more minnows, so I'll be taking off. If you guys like this video, please smash that like and leave your comments down below. Consider subscribing, folks, for some more fishing, knives, and kits videos. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later.